Today I'm cleaning my entire house using 20 Amish-inspired hacks. No chemicals, no fancy gadgets, just old-school tricks that will blow your mind. Let's start with one of the most overlooked but instantly gratifying cleaning tasks: your windows. If you've ever spent time scrubbing away only to be left with streaks and smudges, you know how frustrating it can be. But what if I told you there's a simple, time-tested solution that delivers sparkling results every single time? Forget those expensive blue sprays and chemical-laden cleaners you see on store shelves. The Amish, known for their practical wisdom and love of simplicity, swear by something you probably already have in your pantry: plain white vinegar. All you need to do is mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, give it a good shake, then generously spritz your windows. Grab a clean microfiber cloth, this is key for a streak-free finish, and wipe in a circular motion, working from top to bottom. The result? You'll be amazed at how the glass transforms before your eyes. No streaks, no cloudy residue, just crystal clear windows that let the sunlight pour in and make your whole space feel brighter and fresher. Not only is this method incredibly effective, but it's also budget-friendly. For just a few cents per window, you'll get results that rival or even surpass the most popular store-bought brands. Plus, you're avoiding harsh chemicals, making it safer for your family and the environment. Imagine every window in your house gleaming, all for less than $1. It's a small change that makes a huge difference, giving your home that fresh, well-cared-for look without breaking the bank. This is the kind of practical, real-world tip you came here for. No hype, just honest results you can see and feel. You don't need fancy products or complicated routines, just a little know-how and a willingness to try something new. So go ahead, give this streak-free window secret a try and see the difference for yourself. Ready for more game-changing cleaning tips? Let's keep going. Next, let's make an all-purpose cleaner that's not only incredibly effective, but also costs just pennies to whip up at home. If you're tired of spending a fortune on store-bought sprays that promise the world but barely last a month, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Imagine cleaning your entire kitchen for less than the price of a cup of coffee. All you need is a tablespoon of baking soda and a quart of warm water. Simply add the baking soda to the water and stir until it's completely dissolved. This simple mixture forms the base of your new favorite cleaner. No harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrances, just pure cleaning power straight from your pantry. Once it's mixed, carefully pour the solution into a clean spray bottle. That's it, your homemade all-purpose cleaner is ready to go. No complicated steps, no fancy equipment, and absolutely no need to buy expensive refills ever again. Spray it generously on kitchen counters, stovetops, and even inside your microwave. It's gentle enough for most surfaces, but tough enough to tackle everyday messes. You'll be amazed at how easily it wipes away crumbs, splatters, and sticky spots. This cleaner cuts through grease, lifts stubborn grime, and leaves your surfaces sparkling clean with zero residue. It's perfect for those greasy spills after cooking or the mysterious sticky patches that seem to appear out of nowhere. I put it to the test on a sticky countertop and it wiped clean in seconds. No scrubbing, no elbow grease required. It's honestly a game changer for quick cleanups. After just 2 simple homemade hacks, I've already started clearing out my collection of store-bought cleaners. It feels great to save money, reduce plastic waste, and know exactly what's in my cleaning products. Give this a try and see the difference for yourself. Your wallet, your home, and the planet will thank you. Wood furniture looking tired? Mix 2 parts olive oil with 1 part lemon juice. Rub it in with a soft cloth, following the grain. Instantly, wood looks rich and shiny. Water rings and scratches fade. It smells amazing too. This isn't just cleaning, it's restoring. Your living room will thank you. Forget chemical polishes. This is the only wood hack you need. Ever faced a cast iron nightmare? You know the one. Burnt-on food, stubborn stains, and a pan that looks like it's seen better days. Most people reach for harsh chemicals or loads of soap, but that can actually ruin your pan's seasoning and make things worse in the long run. There's a better, simpler way. Don't use soap, use coarse salt. Salt is a natural abrasive that's tough on grime but gentle on your pan. It's cheap, safe, and you probably already have it in your kitchen. Pour a generous amount of salt into the warm pan, making sure it covers all the dirty spots. Then grab a paper towel or a clean cloth and start scrubbing in small circles. The salt will break up stuck-on food and absorb grease as you work. As you scrub, you'll notice the salt turning dark. That's all the burnt bits and residue coming off. The best part? The salt won't scratch or strip away your pan's precious seasoning, so it stays non-stick and protected. Once the pan is clean, simply dump out the dirty salt. Give the pan a quick rinse with warm water, dry it thoroughly with a towel, and finish by wiping on a thin layer of oil to keep it shiny and rust-free. Now your cast iron is spotless. No chemicals, no hassle, and no damage to the seasoning. It's ready for your next cooking adventure. This is the definitive way to clean cast iron. It's simple, effective, and keeps your pan in top shape for years to come. Fast, cheap, and it works every single time. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to keep your pan looking brand new. Next time you finish a meal and see that dirty pan, don't stress. Grab some salt and try this method. You'll never go back to scrubbing with soap again. Carpet smelling funky? Sprinkle baking soda generously. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, overnight for deep odors. Vacuum it up. The room smells fresh, not perfumed, just clean. It's a total reset for your carpets. Perfect for homes with pets or kids. So easy, so effective. Want streak-free mirrors? Use old newspaper. Spray vinegar solution, wipe with crumpled black and white newsprint. No lint, no streaks, no ink smudges. It's the ultimate recycling hack. Your mirrors will shine like never before. Save your newspapers for cleaning day. Don't knock it till you try it. For tough stains, Amish lye soap is legendary. Wet the stain, rub the soap directly, work up a lather, let it sit, then launder as usual. Even mustard on a white shirt disappears. It outperforms expensive stain removers. Keep a bar in your laundry room. It's your secret weapon. Need a natural disinfectant? Grab hydrogen peroxide, put a spray nozzle on the bottle, spray on doorknobs, switches, sinks, let it fizz then wipe. It kills germs, leaves no toxic residue. Great for cutting boards too, safer than bleach, especially in the kitchen. Simple, effective, and already in your cabinet. Tarnished silver? Make a paste of baking soda and water, rub gently with a soft cloth. The tarnish lifts off, no harsh chemicals, rinse and dry for a brilliant shine. It's chemistry, Amish style. Your silver will look brand new. Try it on jewelry or serving pieces. Hard water stains? Cut a lemon in half and rub it on the stains. Let the juice sit for 10 minutes. Wipe clean, no scrubbing needed. The citric acid dissolves mineral deposits. Chrome shines, stains vanish. Use lemon juice in a spray bottle for larger areas. It's natural, chemical-free, and smells great. Problem solved. Stop spreading dust. Use a damp cloth. Lightly spritz or wring out a microfiber cloth. Wipe surfaces, dust clings instead of floating. Rinse the cloth and the dust is gone for good. Air quality improves and dust stays away longer. Sometimes, simple is best. For floors, mix half a cup of white vinegar in a gallon of warm water. Mop as usual, no sticky residue, no harsh smell. Works on tile, vinyl, linoleum. Floors dry, streak-free and clean. Ditch the expensive floor cleaners. This is all you need. Save money, clean better. Slow drain? Pour half a cup of baking soda, then a cup of vinegar down the drain. Watch it fizz. Let it sit 10 minutes. Flush with boiling water. Clears clogs, kills odors, no chemicals. It's fun, safe, and effective. Try it before reaching for harsh drain cleaners. Want next-level glass cleaning? Add a tablespoon of cornstarch to your vinegar water spray. Shake well, spray, and wipe with microfiber. Cornstarch adds gentle scrubbing power. The result? Glass so clear it's almost invisible. Perfect for patio doors and tough spots. For pro results, use this trick. You'll never go back. Pet hair everywhere? Put on a rubber glove and rub the fabric. Static lifts hair into clumps. Way better than vacuuming. Works on couches, car seats, clothes. Dampen the glove for extra power. Gather and toss the hair. Pet owners, this is a game changer. Dirty grout? Make a thick baking soda paste, spread on grout lines. Spray with vinegar solution, let it fizz. Wait 10 minutes, scrub with a stiff brush. Wipe clean. Grout turns bright white. No harsh chemicals, just elbow grease. Floors and showers look brand new. Worth every minute. Dull copper, cut a lemon, dip in salt, and scrub the copper. Tarnish vanishes instantly, no effort. Rinse and buff dry. The shine is unreal, no special polish needed. Works on pots, mugs, anything copper. Try it and be amazed. Want a fresh-smelling home? Use essential oils. Put a few drops on cotton balls, hide them in trash cans, drawers, or your vacuum. Or make a spray with water and a little witch hazel. Scents like lavender or lemon are subtle and natural. No chemicals, just a clean, inviting aroma. Customize it your way. For flawless mirrors, spray with vinegar water and wipe with a flat weave microfiber cloth. Buff with a second dry cloth for a streak-free finish. No lint, no streaks, just perfection. This two-cloth method is foolproof. Your mirrors will look like portals. Try it on any mirror in your house. The simplest hack: fresh air and sunshine. Hang bedding, pillows and rugs outside. Sunlight deodorizes and disinfects naturally. Fabrics come back fresher, fluffier and cleaner. It's free, easy and incredibly effective. The perfect finishing touch. That's it, 20 Amish hacks and my house is transformed. No chemicals, no waste, just real results. Try one hack this week and see the difference. Comment below with your favorite or your own old school tip. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.